Have you ever had your Discord server terminated and lost your client reviews? Don't worry, with SellerVouch, you will never lose your reviews again after today. Your client can give you a review using the Vouch command. They can attach proof as an image or video, and your clients can add an animated emoji which will appear without any issues. And just like that, you have received a review successfully from your client, and you will not lose this review even if your server is terminated.
And just like that, this client's review will be added to your SellerVouch account. You can also view all the reviews you have received from your clients on your public profile and share it to build trust with your future clients.
Also, if you have many reviews from your clients and want to pin a specific review to be the first one among all reviews, you can do that. In the event your server is terminated, do not worry. Have you forgotten? You are using SellerVouch. You can use the command restore to fully restore all the reviews you received to your new server, and you can also choose the channel where you want to restore the reviews.
Also, if you have existing reviews, there is no problem. We have a solution via the migrate command. You can migrate all reviews to your SellerVouch account, and they will be protected forever and can be restored at any time.
All existing reviews have been successfully migrated to your SellerVoucher account. As you can see, all of the reviews that were migrated are now available in your SellerVouch account. Also, in your public profile account. Do you have a website and want to display your reviews on it? With SellerVouch, nothing is impossible. You can copy this embed and place it anywhere on your website in HTML format, and thus your reviews will be on your site. You can also choose between a dark and a light theme. Paste the embed here and your reviews will appear immediately. As you can see, they look great and will increase your credibility with your future clients. If you have reached this point, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to try our services via the SellerVouch.com website. See you in the next video. Goodbye.